Next up is basically, kind of the logical continuation. This is pass by value result, okay? Again, let's go back to the text. What it's trying to say here. For passing parameters by value result, the formal parameter, which is on the inside, is like a local variable in the activation record of the called method. It's initialized with the value of the actual parameter, fair enough, which is kind of like a pass by value. But when it's all done, the final value of the formal parameter on the inside gets assigned to the actual parameter on the outside. Okay, so it's basically, it's a hybrid. It does both pass by value and pass by result at the same time. And once again, because it's got the pass by result part of it, the actual parameter has to be an L value, okay? It has to be an L value because it has to be, again, an L value is something that can live on the left side of an assignment. So it's got to be something that can receive an assignment. It can't just be like a constant or a literal value for that matter. So here's an example. And again, I think this is going to be plenty short podcast. And then that's fine. We'll jump to the others. But here we have a function f, and then we have a function that's going to be called plus. Function f has a local variable called x, which is assigned to value 3. There he is over there. This is the activation record for function f. Then he makes a call to plus. He passes the value 4, and this variable x is what he passes in. Over here in plus, what plus has is an integer as a parameter, right? And by definition, by default, that's going to be a pass by value. Stuff comes in. But it's also got, and we're using this like, again, it's made up syntax, okay? Don't get bogged down on this, like, what's the syntax? It's going to differ from language to language, but we're going to call it by value result integer b. So what happens is at the point we start, we pass 4. Now over here, we've got the parameter list, the formal parameters. Variable a gets there in the activation record. We pass the value 4, gets to a, boom, 4. And then we've got, we have a local variable x. It's been assigned the value 3 right there. That value gets passed on through so that this value b internally is 3 at the point at which we start, okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to do a b plus equals a. So we're going to take b, we're going to increment it by the value in a. And we're about ready to, so we're ready to return inside here, okay? B now has a value of 7. Then again, because it's a pass by result, so the pass by value caused that value of x to go in. Pass by result causes the value of b on the inside to be mapped back out. Again, there's the cosmic connection, okay? It's not crazy. This is not rocket science. This is not crazy, okay? But you just have to understand that it is, that we've got values coming in, we've got results going out, backing up. We sometimes call this a copy in, copy out, okay? In other words, we are going to send a copy on the way in, and when we're done, we're going to make a copy that's going to come back out, okay?